Okay, Lucky, what do you have there?
I built a new truck with Regine.
Wow, you built a new truck. Let me see the front. The side. The other side. The back. And then the bottom. Wow. That is so cool.
And we have a trailer.
You do have a trailer, huh? Okay, what are we going to do?
Watch this.
Okay. Wow, that is so cool. It is so cool. You did a great job, man. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Bye. And like this video, please subscribe. Bye. If you want more, if you want a